Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you guys and talk about the free remote support software called TeamViewer. So basically you'll use this software if you have users that you need to remotely help troubleshoot and fix their computer, or if you have any family members that needs your help fixing their computers remotely. And this TeamViewer software is free for personal use. So without further ado, let's get started and download this program. Let's go ahead and open up our internet browser. Go ahead and type in TeamViewer in your Google search. And go ahead and click on that link. And here, go ahead and click on download for free. Alright, so it's done downloading here. We'll go ahead and click on the file to install it. Go ahead and click default installation and click accept next. We'll click yes on this prompt. We'll just wait for the install to finish here. Here we'll click on I want to use the free version for personal use and click finish. We'll go ahead and close out this browser. So basically TeamViewer will pop up here once you're done installing it, and here you'll have your ID and your password. Your ID is gonna stay the same each time, but each time you open up TeamViewer, your password is gonna change. So basically when you want to remote into your remote user or a family member that's far away from you, they'll have to install this same TeamViewer program on their computer or laptop, and they also need an internet connection. That way you could remote into their system. So basically once they're done installing the software on their computer, have them open up the TeamViewer program and have them give you their ID, and this is where you type in their ID, the partner ID here. So we'll go ahead and type in our remote users ID here. Alright, so when you're done typing in the partner ID, go ahead and click on connect. Alright, now ask them for the password and type in the password. Alright, once password's done, go ahead and click on log on. Alright, looks like we might have typed in the password wrong. Let's give it another try here. Alright, so we're connecting here. Alright, we're connected, so you could enlarge this window if you want to. So when you're done, just exit out the window, and that's it. So this concludes this video. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please like and smash that subscribe button. Thank you.